In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to put your bots and your bot creator team in the spotlight. Coming up. So you've spent hours and hours working on your bot, perfecting it, getting it connected, going through the quarantine and the bots to test, and now you're live. Which is a great accomplishment, but you have to make sure that your bot stays in the spotlight. And not only your bot, also your bot creator team, because people want to know who is behind this bot. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to do this. So let's just dive right in and start with the obvious one. People like to see new things. So it's important that you regularly update new bots. So if you have 10 bots, for instance, that are ready, make sure that you don't all dump them on the platform in one single go. Try to spread them out so that people can get a feeling with your bots before they see all the different options. And not only you want to have a constant influx of these new bots, but also try to make sure that there's some variety to these bots. People want to see different things and have the feeling that they're distributing their risk and distributing their portfolio. So having a trend trading strategy and a rebalancer is a very good combination. Another way to put your bot creator team and your bots in the spotlight is to join us for our podcast. If you haven't watched any of the videos, just go over to our channel and check them out. In these videos, we try to get to know you and try to make sure that the customer knows who you are and how you got to where you are. Because this gives them a lot of confidence in your abilities and your bots, and this also means that they're more inclined to put larger amounts in your bots. Another important part is to have understandable names and descriptions. But don't worry, we've made an entire video about that. The link is down below. If you haven't watched it already, go over there now and then come back to this video so we can continue. We have a very large Discord community. If you haven't found this community yet, have a look at the link in the description so you can sign up immediately to our server. Why is it important to engage with your customers? Because they're going to have questions, and if they are answered and you talk to them directly, they're more inclined to put larger amounts in your bot or even start investing in your bot. So you might get new subscribers that otherwise might not have joined your bot. It never hurts to have a nice website for the customers to look at. We're going to have a look at a couple of examples because it just really promotes your brand in a very nice way. If somebody has a nice website to look at, this gives them more confidence in you, your team, and your bots. So let's just look at the one from Team Aga. They have made a website specifically for the bots they have on the bots platform, just so they could give a little bit of a different overview, more detailed information than they do on the descriptions in the bots app. Another good example is Dema Trading AI. Though they are hosting mostly for the existing bot creators, they do have a very nicely put together website, and it just gives a lot more confidence to the user and results in higher deposits. That was it for today. So if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below so we can get to them. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. But also, if you want to find out how you get paid, please have a look at the video in the next screen, and I will see you next time.